Good morning. Here we are at Tree of Life Nursery, Redwood Camp, which has become my office for the year of 2020, being socially distanced from most humans, but close as can be to our dear sequoia, these redwoods, and this place is a place of healing. I want to reintroduce you to our monthly newsletter called This Month in the Natural Garden, and thank you for reading it. I know you're passing it on, forwarding it to friends. The link to our website every month, October in the Natural Garden, November in the Natural Garden, has just been published. And our goal here is to create a community of expert horticulturists. And that's why I thank you for reading it. It means so much to us that you get these emails, these links, find it on our website, and read through. Because I was thinking about how you and we are becoming more and more expert in the field of native plant horticulture by continually striving to learn. And this is one place to do it, and we encourage your sharing your information. Dakota, the nursery dog right here, says hi, by the way. And we also encourage you to write in with your questions because we'd like to keep the dialogue alive. You know, when a cook wants to learn more about good cooking, they might go to a great restaurant. Or a young athlete wants to get better at his or her sport, they'll go see the pros. Or a musician learning will go to a great concert or see an orchestra. And it's so true in so many fields, but I have to say, unfortunately, good examples of horticulture are very scarce in the professional world. And as we drive around our streetscapes and our common areas of housing tracts and commercial properties throughout Southern California, most of the activity we see being performed in the landscape, you won't find descriptions for how to do it in our monthly newsletter, because what they're doing in too many cases is wrong. So it's hard for us to take an example from the pros here in Southern California unless you happen to find a place where some real good horticulture has taken place, but it's becoming more rare. Therefore, in your garden, you can do this, and we can do this together. So in our November newsletter, we have our typical format with a little bit about what is happening and what has happened as far as weather. And then we go through our categories, which are consistent month by month. Watering, related to watering, pruning, weeding, mulching or putting on a top dress, feeding, troubleshooting, using annual flowers, adding new plants, and then our little ending with some inspiration of how to engage with your garden, how we can engage with our gardens. So the bullet points there for November are as follows. All of those topics, all of those tasks, those areas of garden care that I've just mentioned, you can do them all in November. November is the month of hope. While you're pruning, while you're feeding, while you may be applying new mulch or controlling Argentine ant, which is a very pesky little insect that makes more problems in the garden. You'll have to read the details. While you're adding new plants, while you're watering, waiting for rains to show up, you will be doing exactly what needs to be done in November, but your mind will be on March. You'll be thinking about next spring, because in good horticulture, we garden smart and we garden ahead. So knock yourself out. You can almost do no harm in November, because all the activities that were mentioned and are mentioned every month, you can be doing with a great deal of enjoyment. And we finish off by saying that these activities provide therapy for us, and they also provide health and well-being for our gardens. And when we're all in one space like that, like right here at Redwood Camp, there's an energy, there's a feeling, there's a spirit that really heals, soothes, calms as we connect to nature. So get out there, read your newsletter, pass it on to friends, become an expert. Thanks again for being part of our community. And hey, we're making it.